Hey everyone, Vinted lets you delete messages in a couple of different ways depending on what you're trying to do. I'll walk you through each option so you can pick the one that works for you. The most common thing people want to do is delete an entire conversation from their inbox. To do this in the mobile app, open Vinted and go to your inbox, then tap on the conversation you want to remove. Once it's open, look for the info symbol. It's a small circle with an eye inside. Tap that and you'll see an option that says Delete Conversation. Select it, then confirm when the prompt appears. The conversation will disappear from your inbox. Just keep in mind that this only removes it from your view. The other person will still see the full conversation on their end, unless they delete it too. Also, if you've got any appealable notice messages from Vinted, those can't be deleted for 6 months. And for security reasons, Vinted stores removed messages in their database for 3 months even after deletion. If you're using Vinted on a computer instead of the app, the process is similar. Log into the Vinted website and go to your Messages tab. Open the conversation you want to delete, then you should see a Delete or Remove Conversation option in the top right corner. Click it, confirm when the prompt comes up, and the conversation will be removed from your inbox view. Now, if you need to delete just one message within a conversation rather than the whole thread, there may be an option for that, though sources differ on whether this feature is available in all app versions. Open the conversation in the app, then try long pressing on the individual message you want to remove. If a menu appears with a delete option, select it and the message should disappear from the thread. When you delete a message you sent this way, it gets removed for everyone in the conversation. One last thing, if you're in the middle of a transaction or any kind of dispute, it's worth keeping the messages until everything's resolved, since they can serve as evidence if you need them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.